Chaos World just launched and there's already a lot of free rewards available. In this video, I'll walk you through the 4 main classes so you can choose the one that fits your playstyle, plus show you exactly how to claim free launch rewards using the coupon codes before they run out. So let's dive in. Chaos W has 4 core classes, and each one plays very differently. So here's a clear breakdown. First is the Knight. This is the tank class. If you enjoy standing at the front, soaking up damage, and protecting your teammates, Knight is a great choice. It's strong in both PvE and PvP because of its high survivability and crowd control skills. Recommended stats are strength and stamina. Next is the Assassin. This class is all about speed and burst damage. Assassins excel at sneaking up on enemies, dealing massive damage in short bursts, and then disappearing. It's perfect if you like aggressive, high mobility gameplay and don't mind playing a bit riskier. Great for PvP and solo farming. So the recommended stats are agility and strength. The next is the Wizard, the classic long-range magic DPS. Wizards deal heavy area damage from a safe distance using powerful spells. If you prefer staying back and controlling fights with big magic attacks, this is the class for you. It has strong AoE clear but can be fragile if enemies gets too close. So recommended stats are Wisdom and Intelligence. Then lastly is the Archer, another range option but focus on consistent physical damage instead of magic. Archers are excellent at single target damage and have good mobility. They're ideal for players who want steady damage output and enjoy kiting enemies while attacking from afar. Recommended stats are agility and stamina. Think about whether you want to be in the thick of a battle or fight from a distance, and whether you prefer burst damage or sustained damage when choosing your class. There's also a big coupon giveaway happening right now for the launch. Here are 5 active codes you can redeem immediately. Feel free to pause the video and write it down. This gives free gems, gold, and upgrade materials that will help you progress faster. Redeeming them is very simple. Open the game, go to settings, then info, tap the coupon field, enter each code one by one. Do it soon because these launch codes don't stay active forever. Choosing the right class early saves you from having to restart later. And grabbing these coupons now gives you free resources that would normally take a lot of time to farm. Since the game just launched, this is the best moment to set yourself up properly while most players are still getting started. That's it, the 4 classes in Chaos World explained clearly with the recommended stats, plus 5 working coupons for free rewards. Comment below and tell me which class you're planning to play, Knight, Assassin, Wizard, or Archer. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you prepare for Chaos World, like the video and subscribe for more guides. See you in the game.